Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Hectendo, and this is a old upload. I was been supposed to upload this on the day of October 30th, but basically in this picture right here, I decided to fully dismantle my Nintendo Wii, to clean it out and to prolong its life cycle. I've had this Wii for a while now, back to the launch date, which is 2006. This is the launch model Wii console. You can see the white casting right here. It's been working great. The only main problem I had with it was that I had to replace the disk drive. I had to send to Nintendo. But nowadays I can do it myself. So basically what I did was I just dismantled it, I cleaned it out, and I applied some thermal paste myself. This is a high quality Arctic aluminum, very high quality thermal paste, recommended. It's crazy how this right here, this piece right here, this is actually the Wi-Fi card, and Nintendo actually had a piece of thermal pad on the Wi-Fi card, which makes sense. But then again, it doesn't really make it that sense because the Wi-Fi card, when you have Wii Connect 24 on standby mode and you put your Wii to sleep mode with the yellow light on the power indicator, the Wii does get hot, pretty hot. So it does make sense to put a thermal pad there. But then again, it's a Wi-Fi card; you don't really need it. But anyway, I'm just gonna show you guys the video and just explain thoroughly on the motherboard and procedures and testing of the Wii without any heatsink or fan. So enjoy the video, and please, guys, support me. Like, comment, subscribe. Just tell your friends about me, man. I'm just trying to get big, get recognized out there on YouTube. Thanks again. Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Hectendo, and you can see I fully dismantled my Nintendo Wii. This is a launch console all the way from 2006, and today's date is October 30th, 2018, and it's still been running great. There's no problems. The only problem I had with it was when I had to replace the disk drive. I had to send to Nintendo when I was younger, and I wasn't really into tech and stuff like this. But nowadays I could repair it myself. What I'm really doing now to it is I'm going to actually prolong it much longer than its lifespan and capacity by actually I was cleaning up from the dust. I'm going to actually clean up this thermal paste, remove the heatsink, remove the thermal pads from that, and apply my own premium Arctic aluminum. This is a very high quality thermal paste, thermal grease, thermocomma, however you want to call it. And this will really help the Wii prolong its life. So it won't heat up that quick. So this is Nintendo. I'm gonna actually remove the heatsink so you guys can see the CPU underneath it. So I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm back. So I removed the heatsink right here at the thermal pads. I'm gonna actually clean that gunk off and apply some of my own. It's kind of weird how a Wi-Fi card, Nintendo actually put thermal paste onto the Wi-Fi card on the Nintendo Wii. So right here we have the Wii CPU. This is the GPU right here. It is a ATI Hollywood. So I have the Wii connected fully to power. So on the main board right here, you have LED 1, that's the power button. We have the Wi-Fi card right there, SD card. We have the LED, the front LED for the disc slot connector. Nintendo, we have the Wi-Fi card with thermal paste on it. Disk drive, we got the GameCube ports. We have the GPU and the CPU, which is a IBM. That's a CPU right there. GPU is the ATI Hollywood. I guess that's pretty much it for now. The main parts. So it has no fan and no thermal paste. So
I'm gonna actually game on this for maybe at least 5 minutes, maybe a minute, because this could fry. This could fry the CPU itself. So I'm gonna turn it on. So we're gonna turn it on right now. I'm gonna use the remote because. So boom. Will it boot up with? Well, actually, it's on. Holy shit! It's actually running, guys. Look. It's no fan, no disk drive. So I wonder if the disk drive will actually work. So it just says please enter the disk. So let's run USB loader. So I know the CPU is gonna be running it's really hot if you touch it. I'm not gonna touch because it's gonna, you know, ESD. But I'm actually gonna play a little game. Hopefully. Oh shit. Oh, so it didn't even run. Let's try running new channel. Usually with a computer, you're not supposed to do this at all because it could fry the CPU. I don't want to touch it. So I'm running the meat channel. I mean, this doesn't seem any interlacing onto. Oh, what the? Whoa. Okay. So I'm guessing it shut itself down because of the fans. I'm going to turn it off right now, and as you can see, it disconnected itself. But we have a little error screen on the screen. The thing is that there's no disk insert into this thing. So what are they talking about? You know, I'm just going to turn it off because I don't want any damage to my Wii. If I could turn it off. Just hold it down. Okay, so it's off. So yeah. So I'm guessing, you know, it doesn't, since it has the heatsink or the, you know, the fan connected. So was it even? Oops! Whoa! Shit! 1 minute, guys. Alright, so it wasn't even at least 2 minutes into the application. I mean, at least a minute into the application, and the Wii just crashed itself. So I'm gonna touch the CPU, then the GPU, and apparently the CPU is pretty hot. This is warm to the touch, but the CPU right here, this is hot. This is really hot. The CPU right here, this is the main guy right here. The GPU is just, you know, it's not that hot, but this guy right here, he's pretty hot. So yeah, I just want to test that out. So like I said, you do not want to try this at home, and do not touch it while it's active because you're gonna get ESD, you can get shot, and you can damage your Wii. So you got that error message. I don't think we get the error message again if I connect it back. So let's try it. Let's put it back on. So alright, I'm gonna press the power button. So there's no drive, nothing. Now I'm actually thinking of actually just having a Wii without the disk drive, because the disk drive I really don't need it because I have all my Wii games here. Let's go to meet channel again.
I'm so down. Use me for science. Me too. My last editor is Dennis. He's on vacation. He's about 60 editor, 40 shooter.
I usually don't play on this TV right here. Oh, there we go again. An error has occurred.
Where are we now?
Alright guys, so let's end this video right here. So thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Trini.Keem.